Hey guys, I hope you're all well, you're having a great day and you're just feeling absolutely fabulous. If you're new here, you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello. I usually post makeup beauty related reviews, tutorials and in general positive videos. So if you're up for that, stick around, press the button to subscribe. Alright, so this video, as you already seen from the title, we're gonna be checking out a brand new ECOTOOLS Interchangeables Total Renewal Eye Kit. 7 brush heads for any complete eye look. So basically ECOTOOLS, if you don't know what ECOTOOLS is, it's a clean beauty, clean planet, vegan, cruelty-free, eco-friendly makeup brushes. The brand been around for a very long time. I think that was the very first brand I ever purchased, like makeup brushes. They came up with this brand new idea, trying to be, more eco-friendly and, more recyclable, to use only one brush holder, brush stick. Basically, you have one brush stick. I'll call it brush stick, okay? I don't know how to name it. If you know, leave a comment down below. Brush stick it is for me. Which you can use for different brush heads. We basically came up with 2 sets. One is for eyes and another is for face. I couldn't get my hands on a face one, so I'm gonna review only the eye set. Basically, this little blue part stuck on. I don't know if it's a magnet or you need to screw it on. We're gonna see this soon once I'm gonna open this up. This is brand new. I haven't tried this yet. I have no clue if it's any good or no. Thinking about, this being more eco-friendly. I don't really bend my brushes. I have so many. If I could show you all. I'm looking, I have brushes on both sides, so I have 2. So brushes I just show you can easily double this amount. So as I say, I have a lot of brushes. I usually buy, good quality brushes. I don't go for, the eBay, Amazon type of brushes, because you can even see from a picture it's gonna be, you're just gonna waste your money. Plus I always go only for cruelty-free, vegan friendly brushes, so there's no animal hair included, because who needs that? Okay, so back to the ECOTOOLS. So what they say, plantable seed paper. So they include in this packaging a plantable seed paper, which is just in here. It says plant me. I have no idea what kind of seed is this paper, what it would grow as. Biodegradable paper. I'm pretty sure all paper is biodegradable if it doesn't have any plastic in it. So we have precision smudge, flat liner, blending crease, precision blending, flat shadow, angled brow, and the base shadow, plus additional brush heads sold separately. It comes with this tint, keepsake tint. I'm not really fan of this tint because I don't know what I could use it for. I might just use it in one of my drawers to keep my makeup steady in a drawer so it doesn't roll around. But other than that, I wouldn't personally keep brushes in a tint. I mean, I keep it, in front of me on a display because I use it daily. But I guess some people might. Okay, well, let's open this up. As I mentioned, this is brand new to me. I haven't tried this. No idea what to expect. I'm really struggling to take this to top. Help! Okay, we're out. Yeah, so I was right. This is a keepsake tint. Has a brand's logo on it, so you can just, keep your brushes nice and neat if that's your jam. How do you take this out? Okay, it's not gonna be pretty. Oh. Okay. Gonna try and drop everything into this tin. What I love so far, brushes has the name. It says what it's supposed to do. Although if you watch my videos, you guys probably know that I always say that all the brushes are multitasking brushes. You can pretty much do everything with each brush. So never take a brush as a shadow and just do a base. You could easily do concealer in there or press a powder in with this. You could easily contour nose with this. It looks pretty steady. It doesn't look very bendy or anything. They say it's base shadow brush. See, it's angled brush, but it's not the tiniest brush for the shadow. Personally, for me, it's a little bit too big. I don't ever apply the shadow, even if it's all over the lid. It would be one shade with that size brush. Yeah, I would rather use this, as I said, had the powder in, or concealer around nose, or do the highlighter. That's really actually good for the highlighter. Let's try the flat shadow brush. I love how easily clips look. The clue is in the name. It's just a flat eyeshadow brush. As you see, it's flat. It's thin and flat. I think it would be good if you wet the brush to apply any kind of pigment or glitter. I think for that it would be really nice. You know, if you use this brush. So it's perfect. We're gonna use this today definitely. Let's see what else we got. So the angled brow brush. I personally don't really use that kind of brush for my brows. If I use, I go for, you know, kind of spoolie and the brow pencil to draw the like hair strokes in. I don't ever use this kind of brush, but I really, oh my god, it's actually really nice. It's very dense. It's not, you know, I can compare Real Techniques one. This Real Techniques brow brush is dense, but then it's kind of thick. It just goes straight. Then this one, the bristles kind of being shaped, you know, to be more sharper at the edge, and it's angled, so it's perfect actually. I would rather use this for my eyeliner. This feels like super soft. Whatever synthetic bristles we use, this feels amazing. Let's try another one. This one is a precision smudge. I really like this. Like the feel of it, like the look of it. It's very thick, but yet very soft. It's like perfect for smudging. This one is called the Precision Blending. Kind of like a round brush, proper round head. This one is called the Flat Liner, and the clue is in the name. Is just flat, very thick, very dense brush that they say is supposed to be for a liner. So the last brush head we have in here is the blending Crease, which for me is more like your basic eyeshadow brush, which I really like. I like the shape. It's very soft. It's very dense on the bottom, so it's not like super soft. So far all these brush heads feels amazing, feels very soft. It looks like it's very well made. Now, how to store this? I mean, it takes less space for sure, but kind of don't want to keep it just on a table like this. And another thing, how do I wash it? I mean, do I wash it when I have this, you know, brush handle on? That's what confuses me. Let's create a makeup look using these brushes and see how good or bad it is in action, you know, because one thing is to touch and feel and think it's probably good, but another thing is to see how it actually works and blends the eyeshadow and so on. So far I'm not wearing any makeup, as you can tell. I did my eyebrows though. I used this Revolution Pro Dark Brow pencil and the Brow Lifter Booster in clear to keep the brows in place so it doesn't move and it looks more like a feathery brows. Okay, let's prime and prep the eyes first. When I say prep and prime, I mean I'm gonna use the concealer and then I'm gonna set it up with the setting powder. For today's makeup look, testing out this ECOTOOLS brushes, I think I'm just gonna go for like a classic holiday makeup look. As you know, Christmas is just around the corner. This year is just flying like this, at least for me. I don't know about you guys, let me know in the comments down below. For this look, I think the perfect palette to use would be the Sigma X Stefano Lange, the Essentials palette. I'm gonna start with a shade called Sunset on like the outer corner of my lids and drag it to the crease. Concentrate on the outer corner. So for this, we're gonna use the blending Crease brush head. Okay, starting from the outer corner, kind of buffing this color in, blending slightly bit into the crease. What's left. Not adding more product on anything, just what's left on the brush. I took slightly bit more eyeshadow on the brush. Once again, outer corner closer to the lash line. Then kind of blending, you know, in a circular motion upwards. I'm changing a brush head. I changed from a Precision Smudge. I'm taking a dark brown shade, Storm. What I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna go close to the lash line. Kind of smudges and oh, I really love this. Feels very soft actually. A bit like an eyeliner, just for now. And I'm blending into this shape. Taking this brush head off, coming back to blending Crease, I'm gonna blend the shade inwards to the mobile lid, not outwards. Kind of a bit softening this. So I'm using the flat shadow brush. And I'm just gonna go with a white shade. And I'm going with this inner eye corner, like on a mobile lid, kind of doing like a cut crease thing. When I say cut crease, I'm going slightly bit higher than my natural creases, so when my eyes are open you can see the shade. So kind of till the middle, I'm not going far with this. I'm gonna spray this up with a setting spray, so I'm gonna use the metallic eyeshadow. This one is even cold metal and it's in the shade gold. The brush head is wet, so we should pick it up easy. So what I'm doing is this, I'm going on the top of this white eyeshadow. So white eyeshadow is like our base, so this gold shade would pop even more. Starting closer to the lash line in the inner eye corner and then just going gradually up. Actually, I really like this brush for this, for packing, you know, this metallic eyeshadow in. I'm changing this flat shadow head to the blending crease head. I'm gonna take a bit of this warm brown shade. I'm gonna blend this darker brown with this gold shade. So I'm going in between those. Just gently buffing it. Alright, so next thing what we're gonna do before we do anything else is apply the eyeliner. So for today's eyeliner I'm going with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. So I'm just gonna go for like a longer flick on the outer corner and then closer to here. I mean, just let you see what I'm doing. But you could just go whatever is, you know, comfortable for you. You could just leave like this. But wait, which guys. I'm gonna take this brush called Precision Blending. I'm coming back to this darker brown shade. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go kinda on the top of the wing of this eyeliner and this bending part, because I have such a, you know, hooded eyes, so I wanna kinda camouflage this part so it doesn't look like a bat wing or anything like this. It's just because it creases exactly in here. So I'm going a bit, you know, on the eyeliner and kind of smudging this part. And going straight up to the wing. Taking this precision brush head off and I'm adding on the blending crease one. No product on anything, just kind of buffing the gold shade with this brown, so it's a little bit harsh line. And that's it. That's all I needed. Alright, eye makeup is nearly done. I'm gonna do the lower lash line after. I'm gonna apply the mascara. And I think I'm gonna go with some falsies. I'm gonna use Wake Up and Makeup. I did a video about this before, how to apply this and all. So as you see, I did the face. I didn't film this part as we're reviewing these brushes rather than doing a full face makeup and doing the eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna quickly finish the lower lash line. Taking black pencil by NYX, just going for a waterline. Taking the Precision Smudge head. I'm taking this warm brown shade. Gonna go all over the lower lash line. We're back to the blending crease brush head. Gently blend this shade. Taking a flat liner brush head, gold shade, and I'm gonna go with this in the middle of the lower lash line. Alright, just a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line and we're done. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? guys think of this finished eye makeup look? I actually really like it. I think it looks festive. Alright, so the ECOTOOLS brushes. As always, guys, I'm super honest. Brushes itself, amazing. I'm just trying to show you, like, I don't even know how to hold it. I can't say anything bad about it. I mean, the brush heads, I think the most I'm gonna be using this Crease blending brush. At least I think I'm gonna use this base shadow brush, what we call it, because the brush head is just so huge. For me, it's more like a concealer brush or the setting powder or something like this. Yeah, so brushes itself, bristles are extremely soft, yet it's not overly soft, like it's packed densely, so it's not super bendy or anything like that, if that makes any sense. So these brushes, quality wise, are amazing, but the fact that it's only one brush handle, I think this idea needs to sit with me. How am I supposed to store this? That's my problem. They give us tint. I'm like, really? Like, am I supposed to keep this like that? I love the concept of that. I love the idea. I love that it's super recyclable or recycled or biodegradable. The idea of going green, I'm up for it. Amazing, cruelty free, vegan friendly. Love, love, love it. The only problem is, why one brush handle? I buy a good brushes, I keep them, you know, and I need a handles. Another thing that I find a bit irritating is changing the heads. I mean, I'm doing a makeup look, and if I need few different brushes, kinda, you know, it's kinda annoying to keep doing this rather than seeing a whole brush sitting in your brush holder. I'm not too keen on this idea of one makeup brush holder part. Just telling you my opinion, as always, what I think of that, so I'll let you decide if you want to get it or not. If you enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful and you like this makeup look I created and you're gonna go and recreate it, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think and what you would like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more reviews, more tutorials, more positivity, body positivity videos? Have you seen my latest video where I talk about Instagram vs reality? If not, check it out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you soon. Have an amazing day, guys. Bye. Ciao for now.